All right, so you know how we were talking about Pi Network before? The one where you can mine crypto from your phone?
Right.
Remember all that? Well, get this. It's finally happening.
Yeah.
Pi is going mainstream. It's officially hitting a major crypto exchange.
Wow.
Gate.io.
Huge.
Big leagues.
Yeah, I mean, this is a big deal. It's like Pi is finally stepping out of its little bubble. You know, they had their own mainnet, their own little ecosystem.
And like their own little world.
Exactly. It was like their tokens were stuck on a private island or something.
Right. Totally.
Yeah.
And now they're like setting sail
Get into the open ocean.
for the millions of Pi users who've been like patiently mining away on their phones.
This is it.
This is the moment they've been waiting for.
Right. This is their chance to finally trade their Pi.
Yeah.
You know?
Tash out.
Exactly. Trade it for other cryptocurrencies or even cash out.
Yeah. So Gate.io is opening trading for the Pi token, paired with USDT.
Good old Tether.
The stablecoin pegged to the US dollar.
Yep.
Trading kicks off February 20th, 2025. But here's the thing.
Okay.
The Pi, they're already open.
So you can get in early.
Get ahead of the curve.
Exactly.
If you've got Pi, you can transfer it over to Gate.io right now.
And you can even do it from your phone.
Yeah. You can use their website or their mobile app. Super easy.
Super convenient.
But, as always,
Of course.
do your homework first.
Yeah. Definitely.
Make sure you check Gate.io's regulations, especially if you're outside the US.
Right. Different countries have different rules.
Exactly. Just to make sure everything goes smoothly.
Smooth sail.
Smooth sailing.
Yeah.
So this is definitely a huge step for Pi.
Absolutely huge.
But it's important to remember
Yeah.
it's still early days,
Yeah.
you know, for Pi in the open market.
It's like a brand new listing.
Exactly.
And if we look at other projects that have done similar things, you know, gone from a closed network to an open one, there's often some volatility at first.
Oh. So, like, what should we be looking out for?
Well, liquidity is key. How easily can Pi be bought and sold on Gate.io without, like, causing these massive price swings, you know?
Right. Makes sense.
And then there's price stability. Will Pi find a steady value, or is it going to be like a roller coaster ride?
The roller coaster.
And finally, will other exchanges follow suit? Will they list Pi too?
Oh.
That's a good point.
Right. Because OKX has also announced that they're listing Pi.
Okay, so that's another big player.
Totally different user base.
Yeah.
Different trading volume.
Right, so having Pi on multiple exchanges,
That's going to boost its visibility.
Yeah.
Make it easier for more people to get involved.
it's like having your product on the shelves of like a supermarket and a specialty store.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're reaching a wider audience.
Yeah, makes sense. So the big question on everyone's mind, of
The
course,
million-dollar question.
is what does this mean for the future of Pi Network?
Right. Is this going to be the next Bitcoin?
Like some of its supporters hope.
Or will it face challenges in this new kind of competitive landscape?
Yeah, I guess the only time will tell.
Exactly.
But this is definitely a new chapter.
A whole new chat for Pi Network and its community. It's an exciting time to be following this story, for sure. And we'll definitely be keeping a close eye on it.
Absolutely.
But remember, guys, as with any crypto project, do your research.
Yeah.
Always important.
Due diligence.
Go beyond the headlines.
Yeah. Read the white paper.
Understand the technology.
Yeah.
And then you can decide for yourself what you think about its potential.
Exactly. Form your own conclusions.
Right.
Don't just take our word for it.
Exactly. That's what this deep dive's all about.